Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above we will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.